Hey guys, what's up? Manas here, back again with another video and welcome to my channel. In this video, we're gonna take a look at these Ant Audio W56 wired earphones and I'm gonna share my opinions about these earphones. So let's begin with the unboxing. Okay, so I ordered this earphone from Amazon during a lightning deal. It was available for 499 rupees, where the actual price is around 12.99 according to Amazon and the box pack of this earphone. It arrived like this. So here is the earphone box. At the front you got the picture of the earphone and naming info. At the right side, accessories available inside the box are mentioned. At the back, pricing and company information are there. And at the left side, some of the earphones features are mentioned. There are nothing at the top and at the bottom of the box. So let's remove the plastic covering first. There is one seal at the top. Let's cut that. And I think this is not the way to open it. Let's try the bottom one. So inside the box you will get another tin box with Ant Audio branding on top. Inside the tin box you will get some stickers, then a note from co-founder and CEO of Ant Audio, and then a product quick start guide and warranty card. After all that, you will get your hands on the actual product, which is the earphone. You will get some ear tips, a clip at the bottom of the box. So that's all for the unboxing. Now comes the opinion part. Let's talk about the build quality first. Okay, so the body of the earphone is made of plastic, good quality plastic of course. The cable and the hooks are made of rubber. The 3.5mm connector is gold plated, which is a good thing. There is one inline microphone for receiving calls and you can also control music with it. For example, single tap for pause, double tap for next track, etc. I only got these two control, so I'm not sure about any other. You let me know. Now let's talk about the sound quality. Well, I won't go into the technical terms like highs, lows, tempos, etc. So simply, I found the audio quality of this earphone is quite good. If you have high quality audio collection or you stream high quality music on your device, then you will definitely enjoy music with this earphone. I used this earphone for almost 7 days and I don't have any complaints with it. Previously, I have used a House of Marley Smile Jamaica earphones and I found audio quality is little better over Marley earphones. The best way to test any earphone's audio quality is go to YouTube, then type earphone test. And then open the first video, ultimate headphone test with 15 million views. You will know how good your earphones or headphones are. Now the things I don't like about this Ant Audio W56 earphone is they are a little bit bigger for my ear holes, but it provides hooks so they kind of fit well. Moreover, I cannot sleep sideways with these earphones on. They ache in my ear after some time. Therefore, I have to keep my head towards the ceiling every time I want to enjoy some video content. Other than that, this is a great value for money earphones for me. This provides good audio, tangle-free wire, removable rubber hooks for keeping it inside your ear during physical activities, and gold-plated 3.5mm connector.